In this question, they're talking about m and n are odd positive integers. Odd positive integers means it can be 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. And they're asking you which of the expression must be an odd. So if I talk about option A, where it is m plus n, so whenever you add any two odd integers, say suppose it can be 3 and 5 or it can be 5 and 7, so it will always result in an even number. So that is the reason. So this your option A cannot be your solution for this sum. If I talk about option B, which is m minus n whole square, so in this case, the difference between any two odd integers is also a even integer, and the square of any even integer will result in an even number. So that means even option B cannot be your answer. So before looking at option C, let me talk about option D. So option D is m plus n over 2. So since m and n are odd integer, my numerator will be even number. My denominator is 2. So any even number divided by 2 can be odd or it can also be an even. For example, if my even number is 22, so 22 over 2 will give me 11. Or if my even number is 24, 24 over 2 will give me 12. So in this thing, specifically, we cannot say always it will result in odd. So that means it has to be option C. The reason is m plus n will result in sum of two odd numbers will result in even number, and any even number subtracted with 1 will always result in an odd number. So that is the reason it has to be option C.